Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make chicken nuggets. I once shared with you tofu chicken nuggets with vegan option and also chicken nuggets with soy pulp, which is a very healthy option. But kids love simple basic chicken nuggets, so this recipe is going to be a basic one. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Mix the ingredients together to make the chicken mixture. It is a bit sticky, so you can use a spoon to mix. Mix flour and starch to make the batter to coat the nuggets. Adding starch makes the batter light and crispy. Now coat your hands with a little cooking oil. Form about a tablespoon of mixture into an oval shape. Coat with flour mixture. Deep fry 5 pieces at a time for 3 to 4 minutes. Drain well in a strainer. Serve with ketchup and mustard. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
よく食べてるね。
めちゃめちゃ美味しいところ探そう。探偵を買ってね。バイバイ。